Yeah, welcome to Vital Glow by Jex. This morning you are watching uh, my layer belts. These are so good right here, so beautiful. I'm just we are just in 16 weeks now. Okay, very soon we will see the outcome, getting more eggs. Once you see the head the head crowns coming, okay, that means they are getting ready. Okay, not all of them, but by 17 weeks, by 17 weeks to 18 weeks, that would be good to see more eggs. All right, so for now we are waiting to see pullets. We are waiting to see, and they just keep going. More feed, no issue, no mortality. That's it's about. I can also see like I need to give them more drinkers. Up to, I can say, about 2 more drinkers, and the feeders add more so that I can give them more standard practicals of killing them. Okay, so as you're watching Vital Grow by Jex, this is what we are doing. This is our layers. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow, like and share with your friends. Okay, thank you very much.